Namaste, Javians. Khushra Britya. Myself, Javian Dr. Barkha Khurana, the Director of Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. I welcome you all to Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, and I would also like to wish you all the best for your upcoming classes and your upcoming future. Uh, I will be telling you about Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. So let's start with it. See, the disciplines offered in Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics are your physiotherapy, optometry, MLT, and radiation technology. Let's start about physiotherapy, what exactly physiotherapy is, what are the scopes of physiotherapy, and where all can you work. So according to World Health Organization, physiotherapy is an independent profession which involves diagnosis, treatment plan and rehabilitation. Like whenever you get a fracture and after the removal of the plaster, the orthopedician asks you to perform few exercises under the guidance of physiotherapist. So you go to the physiotherapist, he or she will give you um, some heating agents like paraffin wax bath, and then she will also give you some exercises either manually, or she will ask you if somebody has an attack of stroke or paralysis of half side of the body or hemiplegia, then also the neurosurgeon or the neurologist will ask you to go for rehabilitation and treatment to the physiotherapist. So the physiotherapy is the field which is vast and diversified. We use many techniques. We use electrotherapy where we use different types of currents, and we also give manipulations or manual therapy to the patients. We also handle different cases of sports injuries. We also handle the cases of gynecology, like uh, exercises during pregnancy or post-pregnancy. Then we have BPT, which is of 4.5 years. Then DPT is 3 years. DPT plus BPT is 6.6 years. MPT is of 2 years. We have MPT in neurological conditions and orthopedic conditions. After the completion of 4 years, you go out for internship of 6 months in any of the reputed hospitals. Now, what are the scopes of physiotherapy? You can work as a physiotherapist in private and government hospitals. You can set up your own private clinics. You can work in sports team as a physiotherapist. Then if you are interested in teaching, you have interest to educate the students, then you can go in academics. You can work in rehabilitation centers and NGOs. You can work in fitness centers like VLCC, and you can also work in MNCs like Wipro, IBM, Infosys. If you have interest in research activities, you can indulge in research activities. You can join community-based centers also. Next is medical lab technology. This also plays a critical role in the health system by performing lab tests on blood, body fluids, and cell tissues. So what the MLT person does, she collects the specimen, whether specimen of blood, body fluids like cerebrospinal fluid, or the tissues. They analyze the results and then they interpret the findings. So that is very much helpful in preventing the disease, in diagnosing the disease, and likewise giving the treatment for the disease or the medical condition that is diagnosed. Like nowadays, during the pandemic, Corona. So all the medical lab technologists, they go for the test of, they test the blood samples of the people. So they are also the Corona warriors. So medical lab technologists play a very important role. And then if we come to the scope, they can work in hospitals, both private and government. If you are interested in teaching, you can join academics. And research, if we come to research, there is vast scope for research in MLT. Then you can join any diagnostic centers like Lal Pathology is there, SRL is there. Next is bachelor's in optometry. This is also a healthcare profession that involves examining the eyes and applicable visual systems for defects or abnormalities, and as well as for the correction of refractive errors. So the job of an optometrist is to check the eyes, check the refractive errors, provide glasses or contact lenses, and for the treatment of eye diseases, they can refer the patient to an ophthalmologist. Similarly, they can also work in hospitals, private and government. They can work in academics. They can set up their spectacle shops. The other one is Bachelor in Radiation Technology, which is a professional course to serve the medical field and technological front. In this interdisciplinary program, the student needs to perform a number of diagnostic tests in medical treatment with the help of radiations, like X-rays, MRIs, and they can also work in private and government sectors, hospitals. They can work as a faculty in universities and colleges, and they can also work in diagnostic and MRI centers. Now I would like to tell you something about the infrastructure of Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. We have well-equipped labs. You can see in the pictures. This is exercise therapy lab and optometry lab, the anatomy lab. We have ICT lecture halls where the lectures are delivered through PPTs and PowerPoints. You can see in the pictures. Then the next one is our community development activities, which are also the part of your curriculum. In community development activities, we have e-physiotics, mentorship, health awareness, survey and services. We have museum development. See, the motive of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, under the guidance of our Honorable Advisor Sir and Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, the villages are adopted. The 5 villages are adopted by JVWU. The students go there for survey and services. They provide health facilities to them. And we have e-physio tickets where the students prepare the tickets and a common man can understand in easy language. We have museum development where the students prepare different models, either working or demos, so for easy understanding. Then we have extracurricular activities like social activities, cultural activities, and sports. All the festivals are celebrated with pomp and show in JVWU. Different cultural activities are also performed. Then in sports, if you have interest in any of the sports, you can select and participate. Now we come to the other activities, like we celebrate Physiotherapy Day on 8th September, Radiography Day on 8th November, Optometry Day 23rd March. MLT Week is always celebrated on 4th week of April. Now we come to co-curricular activities where internship is there, industrial visits are there to get better knowledge of new advanced technologies. Then we have paper publications, We have conferences and symposium. You can see in the pictures, the picture of blood bank visit. You can see our honorable chairperson, ma'am, with students who participated in the conference. So this is all in Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. I wish you all the best. Thank you.